chapter 1 here says that gear doesn't matter. You don't need to spend $5,000–7,000 on the SLR camera, prime lenses, microphones and other accessories. You can shoot 4K starting with iPhone 6s. I feel very comfortable shooting on my couple-year-old GoPro and iPhone 11 Pro. Don't waste your money on expensive gear. Put your mind into the things that matter more than your camera. Here you can see my kind of phone setup, how I do this. And here you can see my GoPro setup. It has just a little tripod where I can mount it wherever I want, and also a little mic, because you know the sound on GoPro is really bad. So that's how I do it, guys. Chapter 2 is about idea. Ideas matter, but they are overrated. You can have a genius idea, but execute it poorly and be boring as hell. Or you can have a very banal idea and execute it in an amazing way, and it's gonna be very interesting for everyone. What you need to know is to have an idea. Right, buddy? Guys, when I was filming this piece here, my camera fell off and I broke this part that connects the microphone to the camera. And I was like, what the hell am I gonna do? Then I realized I have my knife and I have stickers, so I'll try to cut that into pieces and somehow, you know, attach it to the camera so I can continue filming. The problem right now is the location where to type this mic to, because it has a dead cat and it's gonna be kind of in the view, so I need to have it somewhere lower, but where I still can adjust the camera whenever I need it. I actually think it looks good. And it's kind of holds really well. So I added a dead cat and it's gonna look something like this. And you don't see the dead cat in the view here. People here are just selling furniture on the streets all the time. This is so amazing. I have to show you this. Like 4 corners of the street, all are busy. So one corner they are selling flowers, another corner they are selling sweets and beans. Here they are selling furniture. Nearby the guy here is selling coconuts, and on the other side they sort garbage. Crazy. Sorry for the distractions. Let's get back to the main topic and focus here. So the chapter 3 is the most important, and it seems like the biggest chapter in this book. Story. How important is story? Seems like it's the most important part. Setting, conflict, plot, and resolution. I'm not gonna retell you all of the details about it, hasta luego. But if you master it, your videos will be really successful. So this is it for now. I only got through the 3 chapters. Please stay tuned for the further updates, and please subscribe to my channel, like the video, put the bell notifications, and into the next one. Thank you for watching.